Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Snellville, Georgia, which is west of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Towanda Braxton. The one-of-a-kind gem has all the bells and whistles. Gated, four-sided brick home on almost 2 acres, wooded lot. Entering the 2-story foyer. Notice the gleaming hardwood floors throughout. It has a large formal living dining room, nice study, nice sunroom, gourmet kit with breakfast area, bar, walk-in pantry and open to the family room boasting a floor-to-ceiling stacked stone fireplace with built-ins. Grand master's retreat with tray ceilings, fireplace, sitting area and spa-like bath. Spacious second bedrooms. It has a wine room, billiards room, bedroom, full bath, kit, spacious living room with fireplace. Inviting and ground pool to top it all. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.